Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, there is 3 videos that I have to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. One of these videos is going to show of someone talking about, the earthquake that had happened in Puerto Rico. Is basically trying to tell us what he thinks could have caused this earthquake or so on, you know what I mean? And the next video that I'm going to show you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show of someone that went on social media and telling persons that they need to pay their partner money. You see what I'm saying to you? I'll show you that later on. And the other video is going to show of someone talking about the coronavirus, and that person went on social media and that person is trying to let persons on social media know that the coronavirus is something that had been known about long time, Yeah, so it's like he's basically saying that it is not new, you see me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, right about now, I'm going to get into the first video and let you, my viewers and subscribers, have a look at it, and you can tell me what you think. Now, the first video, viewers and subscribers, is going to show of the person talking about the earthquake and so forth in Puerto Rico, and what this person had said seems to be very interesting to me, and I'm going to present it to you, my viewers and subscribers. So tell me what you think about what this person have to say. Observe.
I want the world to know what is happening in Puerto Rico. And I want everybody to viral this. And listen closely. I work with the government of Puerto Rico, Natural Resources. I like to inform everybody to listen. Listen to what's going on. Because Puerto Rico, the people, the majority, are naive. I follow what's going on. They are pumping crude oil out of southern part of Ponce, maybe 5 to 10 miles out, with oil rigs. They're drilling. They are drilling and they're hitting the plates that are not controlling the island, which it shakes. They are also pumping gas, natural gas, and this is forming earthquakes. They're saying that these are natural disasters, but the natural disaster is not natural. It's caused by human negligence. They're pumping oil out of Puerto Rico, the southern part, 5-10 miles south, in the region where Venezuela is also pumping their oil out. They hit the plates, and this is the problem that's causing. The government is going to be estimating 234 million barrels a day. They have ships out there are just collecting oil. And I want everybody to know what's going on. This is not a natural disaster. Their disaster is making the governments, where the governments are not doing anything about it, which they're going to profit. And if your house is destroyed during this ordeal, they're going to call FEMA. They're going to try to help you out. But it's not a natural disaster. The local governments of Puerto Rico are going to make sure that they're going to get their profit just like the United States is, the federal government. And nothing's being said that this is happening. They only told you a natural earthquake disaster is happening. Please viral this, so that everybody can know what's going on. Please.
Well, there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The person talking about, the earthquake and so on. And this person went on to try and explain to us what he thinks could have caused the earthquake to have happened in Puerto Rico. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, from a long time ago, I have always heard about fault lines and all these things, even from the time I'm going to school and so forth, viewers and subscribers. And what this person had said, really and truly, it's interesting to me. It's not like I'm some form of a scientist or geologist, or I have not done any form of studies certain way to know the real depths and the real understanding about fault lines and these things. That's what I'm saying to you. But this person said some things about oil rig and oil taken from the earth, you know what I mean, and all these things, So I'm really and truly thinking, I can't really tell you, you know, like say yes it's true, no I can't say it is true, but it really have me thinking. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and what this person said, yeah, it's definitely interesting to me. Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, we're going to move on to the next video right about now that shows of the person that went on social media and telling persons that they need to pay their partner money. You understand? And without delay, just take a look at this video and observe.
I'm a partner. Me do the live. Them in a dance. Them buy champagne. Them buy anything. Them buy Moscato. And in the most dearest clothes and the more dearest Brazilian ear. Me a begging you, please don't make me have a blast, you know, and call on the name, bring the people the money, come give me call. Not show me another bus like on the clearer and say me want it and me a pick the pack and me not use nobody money. You understand? All of the dancehall people, them and non-dancehall people, me take and put in on my partner, on to bring the people the money, come give me call, and sign for the people their money. You understand? Make help on out, and go down and come in on my partner with a problem, when you could have fire the biggest gun, me not afraid down now. Bring the people their money, come give me the last time this me attack. Else me gonna make a little life and me gonna call on the name. Come me have proofs on the sign on the book, and go to the people their money. I need the people that money. When me call on them now and say all kind of story now, come tell me. Me want the people that money. You understand me? Help on someone to go buy a house, someone to go do nobody. I don't even know what someone to go do with the money. Me not care what they want to do with it. Cause fool the money. But people who work hard for their money, who clean shit. Me tired of you putting money for people. You understand? I am tired of it. I want the people that money. Me tired down now. Wanna bring the pick on the not chop do me like on the clearer. You understand? Me I'm begging the priest, but the life you wanna make, this is the reason why I make it. But want to bring the people that money come give me. And the last start this mega talk is mega done the whole out now. Me I'm not a friend, but when they come and tell the people that money, me don't want a friend from neither girl nor boy. You understand? Me want the people that money. I want the people that money because me go to the people that money. I'm gladly kindly get it and take it. And when enough for try back is a fucking problem. We don't know. Bring the people that money come the next live when we make a call the whole out the name. And in a dance and I drink Moscato and the champagne. And the people that for wait till they don't drink Moscato and champagne. And not go and throw me under the bus like one of the blood clot clear and say police. Make no man go up in a station. Cause me not go up in there, you know. When the thing they go up in me, I tell you which part I'm gonna come bite and suck out. And could have fire the biggest gun, me no blood clot free down now. Bring me the people that money come give me. That's all me can tell you now. Alright.
Anyways, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The video that shows of the person that went on social media and telling persons that they need to pay their partner money. You know, and yeah, that person went on to talk about other things as well, you know. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I know some of the times I always talk about, you know, persons go on social media and them do some things, you know, like acting and all these things for entertainment purposes or for the views, you know, and it really and truly have me being too careful some of the times. That's what I'm saying to you. But however, if what this person is saying right about now, viewers and subscribers, turns out to be true, well, you know we're Jamaican people that call something like this mix up, drama, blend, scandal, and them thing there. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave that one right there and I'm going to move on to the next video right about now, viewers and subscribers. And this video is going to show of someone trying to explain to persons out there on social media that this whole coronavirus thing is nothing new. You get what I'm saying to you? And without delay right about now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to just play this video and let you, my viewers and subscribers, take a look at it and listen to what this person have to say. Observe.
Okay, it's your boy Super Mali. This is a Lysol spray made in the USA. Okay, it's almost done, so it's been around for a while. And they have a list of things that they say it prevents. You know, you use it to kill germs and so on to prevent the following list. And among that list, what do you see here? Human coronavirus. So this hype about coronavirus, like it's something new that we never heard of before, that was just created in China and is coming to America. No, America, the USA, okay, was fully aware of this virus years ago. Okay? So, don't believe the hype. Okay? I'm not sure what we're supposed to be distracted from with all this. I guess we will find out eventually. Just as we found out that Ebola was just a prank. Have a good afternoon.
Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. You don't know me, Dancehall, only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. Is what I'm saying to you. And my point of view about this whole coronavirus thing is what I'm saying to you. Just try your best to keep your hands clean at all times. You understand me? Avoid, you know, holding on to railings and then put your hands on food and eat and all these things. Is what I'm saying to you. You know, this coronavirus thing seems to really bring in a scare throughout the whole world, isn't it? But anyways, just keep your hands clean, you know, sanitize your hands and so on. And you don't know me, Dancehall, I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall, uno big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla 10.